This 2025 Jayco Pinnacle 36 FBTS is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Katy, Texas, 77494 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Katy. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Jayco is 40 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4, slide-out, and 75 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bath and a half, front bath, kitchen island, outdoor entertainment, rear living area. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.